What's up guys, and welcome back. We are getting back into the B-Modster. I know it's been a while. I know it's been so long since you've seen an actual update on this thing. We haven't worked on it in over a year, but we're getting back into it now. Today, we're gonna work on the headers. So I've already removed the cat materials. I actually had to cut the box and then re-weld it. Looks like ass, but it's fine. Then I sprayed the header with high temp engine paint to keep it from rusting and things like that. And then today we're going to wrap the header with some heat wrap. We're gonna use my kitchen table because I'm single. Wrapping a header should be fairly easy. I have a decent idea of the general concept. So first we're gonna start by dampening the wrap, and what that does, it just makes it a little bit more pliable. It's very stiff right now. You don't wanna soak it, but just kind of dampen it a little bit. So we're gonna start with this pipe, I guess. One of the nice upper easy ones here. So we'll start down here. All the way up to the very top. So that's one pipe done, 3 more to go.
Lewis Hamilton. Now, the rear wing on this car is the rear wing that the team did the sprint race on. They changed that after qualifying. They gave special dispensation to do that. Christian Horner said to me last night, he thinks Lewis Hamilton will probably win this race. Perez has only got one job here. That's keep anything that looks like a Mercedes behind him.
And we're done. This little bit around the cat area is a little shitty, a little loose, but it's fine. It'll keep the heat down. I did the piping. This is the part that matters the most. This is gonna be right behind the headrest on the seat. So this is the part that we really wanted to keep cool. But yeah, it came out great, looks good. I'm gonna go back to watching Brazil. All right, boys and girls, it's time to install this header. I don't know where the oxygen sensors are. They might be in the old header. I don't know where that is. I'm gonna have to find that. So, I've got all new hardware from Honda, new nuts, studs, all new gaskets. She's gonna be fresh. So let's put this thing on. So we've got the engine suspended, back out of the car again. Got to put some gaskets in. We're gonna bolt the header back up, then we're gonna lower the engine back down. And then the header will be in the car too. We're making some progress, look at us go. So the header is installed now, and at this point I'm just lowering the engine back into the car. And we're back. These videos have been a continuity nightmare lately, but the camera ran out of battery, so I couldn't actually film the dropping of the engine. But the engine is in, the cradle's back on. Let's take a look at the header and finish off this freaking video. So the header's in. Remember I said we're gonna have this right behind our head? Right there, that's where the header is. So that was the importance of wrapping these front pipes. So the front pipes are here, they run underneath. The cat is there. It's no longer a cat, and this is the exhaust exit. Now eventually we will complete the exhaust, and I'll give you kind of an idea of what it's gonna look like. So this is pipe from the bike. It's that pipe right there. This one, actually, hey, I never realized that this bike doesn't have the chrome trim on it. Huh, this pipe goes on here. And then, old friends will remember my old cafe racer. It had this crazy Vance and Hines megaphone exhaust. And I still have it. So this is gonna mount something like that. And the exhaust is just gonna be this big, nasty pipe coming off the back. That'll be kind of how the exhaust will fit once it's all finished. It's gonna be loud. It's gonna be really loud. But that's for another time. This video is just about the header, so we're gonna put this away. So that's it for today. Come back next Tuesday, because there's gonna be another video next Tuesday, or you can just subscribe and hit the little bell so that you don't have to try and remember. But every Taco Tuesday, a new video is going to go up. It could be the B-Mod, it could be an autobiography, it could be like something else, who knows? My life is crazy, but it's a good crazy. So I'll see you guys next Taco Tuesday.